How to turn on dark mode on your Android device. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on dark modes and different functionalities of dark mode that you can find on your settings. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the settings. Now you have to note that it may vary from device to device because not all Android devices have the same settings, but in general everything will be similar. Now what you want to do is go to your display settings, and at the very first option you will see a light and a dark mode on your display. To go to dark mode settings, just tap on dark and your system will be turned into a dark mode. Now if you go to dark mode settings, you can find here to schedule your dark mode. If you want your dark mode to be enabled when it's nighttime, you can schedule it according to your choice, customize your schedule, and from here it will be turned on automatically. Now once you do that, there are other settings that you can find on dark mode, that is dark mode app. To do that, you can just go down here and tap on advanced features and go to labs, and here you will see the dark mode apps. Just tap on it and here you will see all of the list of your apps that will be dark mode even when your phone is not on dark mode. And there is another option to force dark mode into the apps that are not integrated to use the dark mode. For that, you need to enable your developers option first and scroll down. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see an option to force dark mode on the app. So this one right here, force apps to use dark mode even if not fully supported. If you turn it on, the apps that do not fully support the dark mode will also be forced to use dark mode. And these are all the settings related to dark mode that you can use on Android. If you found this video helpful, head down below and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. I'll catch you guys on the next one.